Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable microphone on any iPhone. So if you have any application whose microphone is not working and now you want to turn it on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to enable or turn on microphone on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down the page, locate and click on privacy and security. Under privacy and security, you want to scroll down the page until you get to microphone. Here you can see we have microphone. Then go ahead and click on that. Now, once you click on microphone, you should have access to all the application that wants to use your iPhone microphone. Now, to turn on or enable microphone on any of these applications, just go ahead and toggle the microphone on. Then once you toggle the microphone on from gray to green, then it implies that your iPhone microphone is working on this particular application. But if supposed to turn off microphone on WhatsApp application, if you go ahead and open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone, so just go ahead, open the WhatsApp application on your iPhone, and then you try to make a voice call like this, then you'll be prompted to enable or allow microphone on your WhatsApp. So the only way you can use to turn on microphone is either turn on the microphone on individual app on your app settings of your iPhone, or come to microphone and turn on the microphone. And once you have microphone turned on, then you are good to go. So that is basically how to enable microphone on any iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.